So in this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI agent to create WordPress blogs from YouTube videos. Yes, that's right. We are going to build an AI agent which will first capture the new videos which we are publishing on our YouTube channel. Then after that, it will send the same video to Happy Scribe and get the transcription of the video which we have uploaded on YouTube. After getting the transcription of a newly published video, we are going to send the same transcription to OpenAI and generate the blog content for WordPress with the title of the blog as well. And at last, with the same content given by OpenAI, we are going to create a blog post on our WordPress site as well. So this AI agent is going to completely automate this complete process. And after building this AI agent, as you are going to publish the video, automatically the blog post will be created on your WordPress site. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. And whenever I'm going to upload a video on my YouTube channel, using the AI agent, which we are going to build in this video, the same YouTube video, new video from my channel will be sent to Happy Scribe. Using Happy Scribe, we are going to get the transcription of the same video. After getting the transcription from Happy Scribe, we are going to send the transcription document, the PDF of the transcription of the YouTube video to OpenAI. And using OpenAI, we are going to generate a blog out of it. We are going to generate a blog content from our YouTube video transcription. And at last, we are going to send the same blog content to WordPress and create a blog post on our WordPress account. Now, in this video, I'm just taking an example of WordPress over here to create the blogs, but you can send the blog content or the content from our YouTube video transcription to any platform of your choice using this AI agent. Now, to build this AI agent, we have to connect all of these applications, and for that, for building this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you can get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can basically create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow over here. Click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name my workflow as AI Agent for Blogs from YouTube Videos. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on Create. And as you click on Create, you can see that the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new video will be uploaded and published on our YouTube channel, the details of the same video will be captured by this AI agent in the trigger step, and this AI agent will trigger. It will start. Then after that, this AI agent will send the same video link and other details to Happy Scribe, and using Happy Scribe, we are going to get the transcription of this YouTube video. After getting the transcription, the AI agent will send the same transcription file to OpenAI to generate the blog content out of it with the title of the blog. And at last, we are going to send the title and the blog content to create the blog post draft in our WordPress account. If you want, you can directly publish the draft as well, publish the post as well. But just for review purposes, if you want to create a draft of the blog post in WordPress, we are going to do that too. So let's see how you can do it. Here in our trigger step, in Choose App, search for YouTube. Just select it. After selecting YouTube in trigger event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as new video in channel with video URL. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account, our YouTube channel with this Pabbly Connect workflow, with this AI agent. For that, just click on this Connect with YouTube button, and here from this pop-up window, select your YouTube account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is the channel ID. So it is most likely possible that in your YouTube account, you might have created multiple YouTube channels. So in this drop-down, you will get a list of all the YouTube channels which you have. Now, you have to select the channel from which you want to create this AI agent, like the new videos from which particular channel you want to capture, from new videos from which particular channel you want to create the blogs from. You have to select that. Right now in my YouTube account, I have only one channel named as demo channel. So I'm just going to select it. After selecting the channel, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last video, the most recent video which we have uploaded on our YouTube channel will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So before doing that, let me just upload a video on my YouTube channel. Let's click on upload video. We are going to select a file. Here I have a file over here, just a short video, and we are going to upload this video on my YouTube channel. So this is the title of the video. Let me just publish this video on my YouTube channel as well. I'll select publish over here and just wait for 2 minutes to upload this video on the channel. Okay, so this video is now successfully uploaded. Let's click on publish, and as you click on publish, this video will be published on my YouTube channel. Now, as we publish this video, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. In this response, we have the URL, the link of the same video which we have just now published on our YouTube channel. I'll just copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and here you can see that the same video will open in front of us, which is published just now. Then after that, we'll scroll down further, and here you can see we have the title of the same video as well. So here you can see that we have the exact same title of the video too. So in this way, we have received the details of a new video from our YouTube channel in this Pabbly Connect workflow in this AI agent. Now, the step 1 of building the AI agent is completed. Let's move to step 2, where we are going to send the same video URL and the same video title. We are going to send the link of the same video to Happy Scribe and get the transcription of this video. For that, just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, search for Happy Scribe. Just select it. After selecting Happy Scribe in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Transcription. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Happy Scribe account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and organization ID of our Happy Scribe account. To enter the API key, first we have to write this word bearer over here, and then after a space, we have to enter the API key of our Happy Scribe account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your Happy Scribe account. From the left bottom corner, click on this profile option and go to personal settings. Under personal settings, go to API, and here you can see this is the API key of your Happy Scribe account. Just copy the API key from here and paste it over here after bearer. Here in organization ID, to get it, we'll get back to Happy Scribe, and below API key, here you can see the organization ID. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. And after pasting both of the details, just click on save. And as you click on save, we will see our Happy Scribe account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the transcription name. That what is the name of this transcription which we are sending to Happy Scribe. So I want to enter the title of the video which we have uploaded on the YouTube as the name of this transcription. So what we have to do, here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of the YouTube video title over here in this Happy Scribe action step in the transcription name field. For that, just click on this field over here, and from this drop down, from the responses which we have received from YouTube in the trigger step, select the response of the title and it will be mapped. Then after that, it is asking us for the language, that in which particular language we have the audio of this video over here. So the audio of the video which we are sending, in which language we have that audio. And here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on this link and it will take you to a page on the Happy Scribe's developer platform. At this page, you will get a list of all the languages which are offered by Happy Scribe. So here from this drop down, we have to search for our language, like in which language we have the video. So here the video is in Indian English over here. The video which we have uploaded on my channel is in Indian English. So here I'm going to select and copy the language code for that particular language in which we have the audio in our video and then paste it over here. So here in the field of language, we have to enter the language code from this Happy Scribe page for our audio language. Then after that, it is asking us for the media URL. So we have received the media URL from YouTube in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, once again, we will use the process of mapping over here. Click on this field from the drop down from YouTube responses, select the response of video URL and map it over here. After mapping the video URL in the media URL field, it is asking us for the workspace name. That in your Happy Scribe account, in which particular workspace we want to keep this transcription in. So here in my Happy Scribe account, I have created a workspace named as PC. So here I'm going to enter the same workspace name. At last, it is asking us is subtitle, that do we want the transcription as a subtitle over here. So we don't want the transcription as subtitles, so we are selecting false over here. If you want, you can get the subtitles using the same application, using this action as well, if you select it true over here. After this, just click on Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. In this response, here you can see that the transcription of the video is initiated over here. It is in the initial stage. And we have to allow Happy Scribe some time to transcribe this YouTube video. So what we are going to do in this workflow, in this AI agent, we are going to add a delay. So after getting the new video from our YouTube channel and sending the video for transcription to Happy Scribe, this AI agent will wait for a few minutes over here to Happy Scribe to transcribe the video. So what we are going to do, after clicking on this Add Action Step button, select Delay over here. So we are going to add some delay in the AI agent. Then here in Action Event from the drop down, select the action event as Add Time Delay and click on Connect. Now, on the basis of your average video duration, we have to add the delay. Let's say if you're adding the videos on your YouTube channel between 10 to 15 minutes, the average video length is of 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's say we are going to allow, for example, 20 minutes to Happy Scribe to transcribe that video. So on that basis, you have to add some delay over here. I'm just uploading some short videos, some small videos within 1 minute. So the video duration is less than 1 minute. That's why what I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to add a delay of 2 minutes. But you can add a delay of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or in hours as well, depending upon the length of the video you are sending to Happy Scribe for transcription. If you are sending some longer formatted videos over here to Happy Scribe for transcription, then it will take a lot of time to transcribe. So on that basis, you have to add a generic or a generalized time for delay. Then after adding a delay, just click on Save and Send Test Request, and here you can see that the delay is added. After adding the delay, what we have to do, once again, we have to add the Happy Scribe action step. So here in the action step of create transcription, we send the video URL. This AI agent send the video URL to Happy Scribe, and Happy Scribe is transcribing that video. After transcription, we want to export that video as well. We want to export that transcription of that video. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, once again search for Happy Scribe. Just select it. And this time in Action Event, we have to select the action event as Create Export, because we want to create the export of a transcription file. Then just click on Connect. And because we have connected our Happy Scribe account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. After clicking on Save, it is asking us for the format, that the video is transcribed, but in which particular format we want the transcription in. So here in the drop-down, we have three options: text, doc, and PDF. So let's say I want the transcription in PDF format, so I'm selecting PDF over here. Then it is asking us for the transcription file. So in the drop-down, you can see a list of all the files or videos which we have sent for transcription. In the drop-down below, you can see a list of all the file names, transcription names, and which particular transcription we want to export using this action. We have to select it. Now using this AI agent, every time we are going to upload a new video on the channel, and a new video will be sent for transcription to Happy Scribe. So what we are going to do, we will turn the mapping button on and clear the default response. And after that, here from the Happy Scribe responses from the drop down, we are going to select and map the response of ID over here. So in this way, whatever video we are uploading, we are going to send the same video for transcription. We are going to create the transcription for the same video in the previous step and add the transcription ID of the same video in this create export action step as well. Then it is asking us whether we want to show the timestamp. So no, we don't want to show the timestamp. We are selecting false. We also don't want to show the speakers in the transcription. We are selecting false as well. Also, we don't want to show the comments and highlights. So we are selecting false as per our requirement. You can select the option from this dropdown as true or false as per your choice. And then just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that the export of this transcription has started. Now, we will just click on this Add Action Step button over here. And once again, we have to basically add the action step of Happy Scribe. After adding the action step, here in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Retrieve and Export. So in the previous step, we have created the export process. We have started the export process of a transcription, but now we have to retrieve it. Select this action event, just click on Connect, and select the existing connection and click on save. And as you click on save, here you can see that after making the connection, the only thing it asks us is the export ID. Just click on this field of export ID, and here from the drop down from Happy Scribe responses, select this response of ID over here of the action step of create export, and it will be mapped. After mapping this export ID from the create export action step, just click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response, and the response states that the transcription is ready. And here we have the download link, the link of the PDF file in which we have the transcription. I'll just open this link in a new tab over here, and here you can see that in my computer, the transcription PDF is downloaded. If I open this PDF here, you can see that we have the transcription of the same video which we have uploaded on our YouTube channel in this PDF file. So we have successfully received the PDF file of the YouTube video transcription. Now in the next step, we are going to send this PDF file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to generate a title and the content of a WordPress blog post. For that, just scroll down, click on this add action step button over here, and here in choose app, search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI in action event from the drop down, select the action event as extract content from PDF/image. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get this API key of OpenAI, we will just go to our OpenAI account and go to dashboard. After coming to dashboard, from the left sidebar, go to API key, and here you can see an option to create a new API key, create new secret key. Click on this create new secret key button here in this pop-up window. Give this API key a name. Let's say I'll give the name as AI agent for YouTube video transcription. Select the project of your OpenAI account and the permission as all, and click on create secret key button. As you click on create secret key, the API key will be generated. Copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API key, just click on save. And as you click on save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the OpenAI model. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the models offered by OpenAI, using which we can extract the content from PDFs or images. So you can select any model as per your choice. I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini. Then it is asking us for the PDF or the image URL. We have to basically enter the document URL in which we are receiving the transcription of the YouTube video. So we have received the document URL from Happy Scribe in the previous action step of retrieve and export. Here in the response, you can see we have the download link of the PDF document in which we have the transcription of our YouTube video. So what we have to do, we are going to map this response of download link in this OpenAI action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Click on this field. From the drop down from Happy Scribe responses of retrieve and export, select the response of download link and it will be mapped over here. Then it is asking us to give the prompt. So here we have to give the prompt to OpenAI that the document which we are providing, what do we want to do with this document? So I've already created a detailed prompt as per my requirement. Let me just enter that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm giving to OpenAI with the transcription PDF document. The prompt says, I'm providing a transcription of a YouTube video. Your task is to create a well-structured WordPress blog post based on this transcription. Please format the blog content properly in HTML, ensuring correct paragraph breaks, headlines, and other necessary formatting elements. Deliverables. So what do we want from OpenAI? So we have basically entered the prompt that what do we want it to do, and in return, in response, what do we want? We are going to mention it. A fully formatted blog post in HTML. So we have asked for the HTML body of the blog post so that when we send the HTML body of the blog content to WordPress, the formatting of the blog post is also perfect. Then we are asking for a suitable and engaging blog title. So we have to give this blog a title, and we are asking the same blog title from OpenAI as well. And also we have asked OpenAI to proofread and correct any kind of grammatical error or some kind of mistakes over here. So we are asking ChatGPT OpenAI to fix it as well. And at last, we are going to ask it for a clean final output and well structured as well. So this is the prompt which I am giving, but on the basis of the blog which you want to create, what kind of blogs from the YouTube video transcription you want to create, you can obviously modify this prompt, add some details, remove some points, and modify the prompt, enter the prompt as per your requirement. Now, after entering the prompt over here and the transcription PDF URL, here it is asking us for the structured output. Now you must be thinking, what is the structured output? So here in the help text, you can see this hyperlink, just click on it and it will take you to a video on our channel. And this is a complete video that what is the structured output offered by OpenAI and how you can use this section of structured output. So basically, adding a JSON object or a JSON schema in the structured output help us get a consistent and fixed response from OpenAI. So let's say we have clearly mentioned in the prompt that we want the title and the blog post content over here. We want two things. We want the title of the blog and the content, the body of the blog over here. But if we don't enter the structured output over here, or if we don't provide a JSON schema, it will give us a response in various formats. It might get hallucinated. But if we enter a structured output, if we enter a JSON object or JSON schema over here and specify to OpenAI that we want the response in this perfect format, in this particular format only, then after that, OpenAI is going to give us the response in that format, in the structured output. Now you must be thinking how you can create this JSON object, how you can create this JSON schema, which we have to enter over here. So don't worry, if you don't have any idea about JSON, you can still generate a JSON schema using OpenAI itself. Here in the important note, you can see this link. Just click on this link and it will take you to a page on OpenAI. At this particular page, just log in with your OpenAI account and after that, you will see this generate button. Click on this generate button and here we just have to describe that what kind of schema we want. So let's say I want to describe as, so here what we have done, we have entered this particular prompt over here. We have just mentioned that what kind of JSON schema we want. We want a JSON schema having the title and the blog content for the document which we are providing. Let's click on create. As you click on create here, you can see within seconds, OpenAI will generate a JSON schema over here. So this is a JSON schema where we have a complete mention of what kind of response we want. We want the title over here and also we want the body over here as well. After entering this particular JSON schema, after getting the JSON schema over here, just copy it from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in structured output. And after pasting this JSON object, just click on save and send test request. Now, as you click on save and send test request here, you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive the response. And in this response, we will get only two things. The first one is the response of the title of the blog and the second one is the blog content. And here it is. Here you can see that because we have provided a structured output, a JSON schema, it has given the response in the exact same format. In the first response, it has shared the title of the blog, and here in the second response, it has shared the actual blog content based on the same transcription document which we have given, based on the same transcription of the YouTube video which we have uploaded on the channel. So till now, using this AI agent, we have extracted the content. We have basically generated the blog post content from our YouTube video in this AI agent. Now let's move to the last step where this AI agent will create a blog post on our WordPress site as well. Just click on this add action step button and here in choose app, we have to search for WordPress. Just select it. After selecting WordPress, an action event from the drop down, select the action event as create a post and click on connect. As you click on connect, just select add new connection and here we have to connect our WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the username, password and base URL of our WordPress account. So you must be having the username and password of your WordPress site, and to get the base URL, just log into WordPress and here before WP admin, whatever you have the URL before WP admin, just copy the exact same URL from here and paste it over here. Now after this, let me just enter the username and password of my WordPress site. Okay, so I have entered the username and password of my WordPress site and also the base URL. Now let's click on save over here, and as you click on save, we will see a WordPress account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the post type. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of different types of posts which we can create using this action on WordPress. We want to create a simple post over here, so I'm selecting post over here. Then it is asking us for the post title and the post content. So we have received the post title and post content from OpenAI in the previous step. So here in the previous step, after extracting the details or the transcription from the document and generating the content for a blog post using the same video transcription, we have received the response of title and content. And we are going to map the same responses over here in the WordPress action step. Click on this field of post title from the drop down from OpenAI responses, select and map the response of the title over here and follow the same process to map the content as well. So we are going to map the post content in this field of content. Then after that, it is asking us for the slug or the excerpt. So we are not getting these details and these details are also not mandatory, not required. So if you want, you can ignore these fields for now. Then it is asking us for the status, that what should be the status of this post on our WordPress site. So because these are AI generated posts, I don't want to publish these blogs directly on my WordPress site. So I'm selecting the status as draft. Once I review these posts by myself in the beginning, then I can just publish it manually. Then it is asking us for the category ID. So here from the drop down, let's say I want to add the category as blog over here. And then if you want from this drop down, all the tags which you have created in your WordPress site, you can see all of them in this drop down. You can select any tag as per your choice. I'm selecting the tag as blog and ChatGPT. And also you can select multiple tags over here from this drop down. Then it is asking us featured media ID over here, that if you want to add any kind of media or image to this particular post. I don't want to do it, so I'll just turn the mapping button on and clear this default response. Then after that, it is asking us for the format. So here from this dropdown, we have multiple formats over here. I'm going to select the format as standard. Then it is asking us ping status and comment status. So I want to keep the ping status and comment status as open. If you want from the dropdown, you can select and choose to close it as well. Then who will be the author of this blog post on our WordPress site? We have to select that. In this dropdown, you can see a list of all the users over here. Out of all of them, I want the admin to be the author of this post. So I'm selecting admin over here. Then is this post sticky or not? We have to select that. So it is not. So we are selecting false. If you want to add any kind of password or you can protect the access of this particular blog post, you just have to enter the password over here. But I don't want to do that either. So I'm just going to keep this field as blank. And if you want to publish this post on a specific date and time, you can enter that date and time over here. And we are not going to do that right now. And after entering all the details and selecting all the options of your choice, just click on Save and Send Test Request. As you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response says that the blog post with the same content is created. And we here in the response in front of link, we have the link of the same blog post as well. So I'll just paste the link over here. And here you can see that just now, a blog post is created on my WordPress site using the same YouTube video which we have uploaded on our channel few minutes back. So here you can see that this is the title generated for the same video and this is the blog post content. Now the video which we have generated was only a 33-second video. So that's why it has generated a very small blog post over here. But if you are uploading any kind of larger videos, like if your video length is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, OpenAI will get enough content to generate a detailed blog post content, and then it will generate a detailed blog post as well using this same AI agent and create a post on WordPress. Also, if we go to my WordPress site and refresh this post section once, you can see that the same post will be mentioned over here as a draft because we have selected the status of this post as draft over here. And here you can see we have the same title, Automate Content Creation, Building an AI Agent for Google Sheet. And here you can see that the title was of our YouTube video was how to automatically generate text and images using AI agent. So this is how you can create an AI agent which will get the new videos from your YouTube channel, transcribe those videos, create a blog post using that video transcription and create a blog as well on your WordPress site. All of this will be done automatically. So not just this AI agent, you can use Pabbly Connect to build multiple AI agents and connect multiple applications of your choice or automate or build AI agent for different processes as well. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of the same workflow of the AI agent in the description box below. And by clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start building this AI agent for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.